Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone actually has NFC and is unlocked, then go straight to Settings to enable NFC. Once done, make sure contactless payments are set if you plan to use cards, and turn off battery saver because it often disables the radio. You should also remove thick cases or metal mounts that block the antenna. These physically prevent reliable reads. After these steps, keep the phone awake and open the app you'll use for tags or payments. Now move into the main interaction. Position your phones back near the tag or terminal, aiming for the middle where the antenna sits, and hold steady for about 1 to 2 seconds. Once the device detects the tag, your reader app or wallet will show options like Read, Write, or Make Payment. Select the one you need. Make sure the app has permission to use NFC and that any sensitive operations use secure apps or authentication. If writing a tag, follow prompts to save data and verify success. To complete the process, confirm the action succeeded by checking the app message, transaction history, or by scanning the tag again with a different app. If something goes wrong, first toggle NFC off and on or reboot the phone and then retry. Make sure the protective case isn't blocking the antenna. Remove it if necessary. If reads still fail, try airplane mode briefly, test a known working tag or terminal, and update system software. These steps resolve most connection and compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.